All right, we got this one. We got the box mounted, got it plugged in. They told us the wrong RV park, so we got it programmed for another RV park. So now we're gonna have to reprogram it, just the SSID and the ID of the device itself, and the CPE. Got to change the SSID, what it receives from that tower right over there to here. Then we run a wire over here, plug it in, and we should be good. So we're going to go ahead and run that wire and then turn it on, which the air cube should be on already because we got it plugged in. So now we're just going to make a cord to plug into CPE, and then it should all be ready to log into and change it, activate their account, and go to the next one, which is somewhere down here, but I got to go get my ladder because it's going to be above, unless I can use this 10-foot pole somehow, but we'll see. All right, we got the end on the cord here. We're going to run it straight down the tree and around here in the water and get it to this here. So let's get that ran. See how should we run this. Yeah, let's get this plugged up in here. Okay, got them devices reprogrammed of the SSID of the Wi-Fi device name and getting the CPE up there. I don't know if you can see it. CPE up there on the other side of that tree. right up there. And they're supposed to be getting 10 down and 1 up. So let's see what we get. We get download. Download 13, supposed to have 10. Got to have 1 up, at least. Okay, we got that. So we got that up and running. Wi-Fi man says we are getting the speed and everything's been changed. I'll do the updates over there later. So it'll be somewhere between 12 and midnight and 6 in the morning of doing that. Let's see, be sure it's connected. It says it is. Be sure the nice little green light comes on. It is, and signal. It's getting the maximum 300 by 300 TX and RX. So it's getting its maximum that it can do. Transmitting power is on auto, is sitting on -3. So that's all good. So it looks like everything should be ready to go except strapping the wire to the tree. So let's get that done. While I have the laptop sitting here charging for the next one. As long as it don't start raining, that's the last thing I need. Start raining. So let's lock this up. Put these wires in here. I start to see feel sprinkles already. Last thing we need. Put a lock on this thing and yeah, let's do this. Alright, we got that in there. Still got a little slack in it. Good enough to hold up. Nothing spectacular, real tight bind. Now I got the wires running over here, all out of the way. Yeah. Keep it all out of their way of working on the water or whatever they need to do. And that should do it on that. Now we just need to lock this bad boy up. And we'll call this one done. That one is connected.